everyone, this is Cindy Create the Heart, and I tried to gather all the things that I used to make these cards. I might have forgotten a few things, or they might have gotten mixed up in other places, because I actually used quite a few different things. Let's see one other thing that I used, and I don't have the... Okay, so I used, I think, these freshly brewed sequin mix from Honeybee Stamps. I used some In My Stash Valentine's-y kind of paper. This one, which was a, what this was. I think this was a $3 spot. This was a dollar spot, I think. This one. I used this paper with love. This is a Michaels product. I used, I don't think I used... Oh, yeah, I did. I use these circle dies, which are my favorite circle dies, which I don't even know where I got these from, but I love them. I use them all the time. And then I also used this paper pad, which is this Coffee by Echo Park. And let's see. I used this for a slimline. This is from, where is this from? I want to say it's, I forget where that one's from. I want to say it's Sunny Studio, but I think it is. I think it's from Whimsy, but it's either from Whimsy or I'm pretty sure it's from Whimsy Stamps. So I don't know what I did with the packaging for it. It's around here somewhere. So anyway, and then this really super cute stamp set from Honeybee Stamps called Love You Some More, which I hauled fairly recently. So I'm trying to kind of get on the ball and get cooking on stuff that I haul quickly. So these are the variety of cards that I made. I made 4 different cards. Let me start with a slim line. So this is a traditional slim line in 8.5 by, this one's 3 3/4. And I use that slim line die, and this paper is actually paper from my stash. I believe it's a Doodlebug paper in a 12 by 12 that I used. And so I just cut it out. I used the reverse of this for the inside here. I've got my teacup. I've got my cute little s'more, and then it just says, "You're my cup of tea." And then I have some of my favorite heart stickers from Michaels on there. And then this one, I did a little bit different technique. I've been really trying to explore some different techniques. So this one, I stamped the heart stamp in Versamark, and then I embossed it in white. And then I did a resist technique. So I did some pink Distress Oxide ink over it. And then I layered some of my little pieces that I had colored in. And it says, "You Warm My Heart." And this paper is the paper from Reflections, Michaels. And then this one, I did a shaker. So this very simple shaker. It says, "You Warm My Heart." And I've got a little teacup and a little s'more here. So that looks kind of fun. And then this card, I just stacked my little s'mores. This is "I Need Some More Friends Like You." And I have my stacked little s'mores here. Really kind of a simple and fun little card. And I just love these little s'mores. And I actually have 2 other stamp sets that I found that I have s'mores. So no, wait, 3 more. And I think I have one that I've never even made a card with. So I'm going to have to pull that out because I really do like the cute little s'mores. They're really fun. So these are the cards that I made using that really fun stamp set. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Create the Heart.